How to connect Squarespace to Facebook Shop. So for this, we will use Zapier, which basically connects two applications. So that's zapier.com. I've just logged in with my Google account, and right here we want to click on create and then choose the option for Zaps. Now we will search and we will need a trigger and an action here. So just click on trigger and we will search for Squarespace. So first we have to select Squarespace here, and then we have to choose the event type. So what happens here? So basically what happens from Squarespace. So we will choose new form submission and click on continue, and you will need to connect your Squarespace. So simply click on sign in here and follow the instructions that it shows you right here, and you will continue to Squarespace. So after you have connected your Squarespace account, we will need an action as well. So just click on action and search for Facebook Shop or Facebook leads. You will see it here. So you will have Facebook lead ads, Facebook pages, conversions, offline conversions, lead ads, and conversations. So for example, this Facebook lead ads here. And again, you will need to choose an event type. So what happens? You create a lead statistic, you find an ad. Basically, you will need to connect this to your Facebook shop here. And then you will choose an option, click on continue, and you will need to sign in to Facebook as well, if this is the Facebook shop. And after you just sign in and confirm your identity, then you will have successfully connected Facebook shop to Squarespace. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.